Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. On another bright day with another exciting opportunity and you don't want to miss it. So today's opportunity is the free online leadership program Commonwealth 100. This is a free online course which will consist of webinars and online sessions and is open to all of you young people who are aged 18 plus and are living in a Commonwealth country or maybe studying or working in a Commonwealth country. So let's get into more details. As I told you, this is an online program and the upcoming program dates are from 6th March to 24 April 2020. This is the first batch. The next are from 1st May to 19th June 2020. This is the second batch and the third one is from 3rd July to 21st August 2020. So these are the three batches and you can apply to any of this batch as per your suitability. Next things is the benefit of this program. So you will gain some practical skills for the future. It will enhance your leadership style. And this will have an overall positive impact on your personality. You will be taking part in interactive exercises and discussions with peers from across all of the Commonwealth countries. You will also read articles which will explore the skills you need. And you will also receive an open source leadership badge if you complete this course, which you can use as a record of your achievement on your CV on your online profiles. And if you have this kind of leadership badge on your CV, it will uplift your profile. Next thing, eligibility criteria. So all of you young people who are aged 18 plus and belong to a Commonwealth country or maybe living or studying in a Commonwealth country can apply for this program. And you should be at the beginning of your career in higher education or further education. So how to apply for this program? You will see two buttons. You have to click on apply now and then now this kind of page will appear and you have to register yourself here. So first you will select which month of course you would like to register. I'm selecting this one. Here you have to enter your name. I'm just writing here scholarships. You have to enter your surname. I'm just writing Corner. Here you have to write your email address, scholarshipscorner@gmail.com. The next thing, you have to confirm your primary email address. I'm writing the same. Here you will be entering any of your alternate email address. Then you have to select your nationality and then your gender. I'm writing here female. Here you have to enter your city and town, your city where you live. Then here's your mobile number or phone number. Here you have to select to which sector you belong. I will select student. Most of you will select student. Organization name. Here you can state the name of your organization in which you are working, or if you're a student, you can just write unemployed. Here you have to tell them from which you heard about common purpose online course. For example, if I saw this course on social media, I will select social media. Okay. Here you have to tell them from where you get to know about this course. If you get to know about this course from this video, you will just write here YouTube. Okay. Now, how do you spell 19? This question is for security purposes. You just have to write here 19 and then submit this form. And your form will be submitted and you will be registered. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing opportunities.